RayCue USB-C hub designed for the MacBook Pro. Thunderbolt 3 and 2 USB 3 ports, SD card readers, Thunderbolt 3, 3 USB Type A ports, USB 3, SD card reader, micro SD card TF, and it fits on the MacBook perfectly. It's pretty secure. This hub occupies both USB Type-C port on the MacBook and still allows for charging pass-through additional USB devices and a card reader or charge the iPhone. There is no HDMI output. To work around it, use a portable monitor, and the whole setup is about the portability, right? And then I will get an external monitor using the Thunderbolt 3 port. Also acts as a display port. It's supplying power to the other external monitor with one single connection. It's a great little travel companion, very compact. Just keep in mind to eject these devices before you unplug it from the computer to avoid damaging the data. Highly recommend it. Hope you find this review helpful.